Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. More power to you. Today, we are diving into an incredibly important topic that affects us all: how to live stress-free. In this video, we'll share some valuable tips and techniques that can help you lead a calmer and happier life. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore the art of living stress-free. Identifying stress. Before we begin, it's essential to understand what stress is and how it impacts us. Stress is a natural response to life's challenges, but it can become overwhelming if not managed properly. So, the first step is to identify the signs of stress in your life. These signs might include restlessness, lack of focus, irritability, or physical symptoms like headaches and tense muscles. Practicing mindfulness. One powerful technique to combat stress is mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment, without judgment. It helps you stay aware of your thoughts and emotions without becoming entangled in them. Take a few minutes each day to practice deep breathing or meditation, which can significantly reduce stress levels and increase overall well-being. Time management. Stress often arises from feeling overwhelmed by tasks and deadlines. To live stress-free, it's crucial to master the art of time management. Start by creating a to-do list, prioritizing tasks, and setting realistic goals. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps, and remember to allocate time for breaks and self-care. Positive thinking. Our thoughts have a profound impact on our emotions and stress levels. Embrace positive thinking and challenge negative thought patterns. Replace self-doubt and criticism with self-compassion and affirmations. Surround yourself with positive influences and uplifting content to create a happier mindset. Physical activity. Regular physical activity is a fantastic stress reliever. Engaging in exercises such as yoga, jogging, or dancing releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones. Find a physical activity you enjoy, and make it a part of your routine to reduce stress and improve your overall health. Connecting with nature. Nature has a calming effect on our minds and bodies. Take some time to connect with nature, whether it's a walk in the park, a day at the beach, or simply sitting in your backyard. Engaging with nature helps you relax, clear your mind, and gain perspective. Social support. Building a strong support system is essential for living stress-free. Surround yourself with caring and understanding friends and family. Talk to someone you trust about your feelings and experiences. Sharing your burdens can lighten the load and provide valuable insights. Conclusion. Congratulations! You have taken the first step towards living a stress-free life. Remember, it's normal to experience stress, but with the right tools and techniques, you can overcome it and lead a happier, more fulfilling life. Embrace mindfulness, manage your time effectively, stay positive, stay active, connect with nature, and build a supportive network. Now, it's your turn. Let us know in the comments how you manage stress and what works best for you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay stress-free and take care. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other content for more valuable insights and tips. And as always, stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon. Take care, and bye for now.